does a mortgage affect adverse possession? Have you ever wondered how a mortgage interacts with adverse possession? This topic is essential for anyone interested in real estate, investing, and property law. Let's break it down. First, let's clarify what adverse possession means. Adverse possession is a legal concept that allows someone to claim ownership of land after openly occupying it without the owner's permission for a specific period. This period can vary by state, typically ranging from 5 to 20 years. The person claiming adverse possession must act like the true owner, maintaining the property and excluding others, including the legal owner. Now, how does a mortgage come into play? A mortgage does not prevent adverse possession from happening. However, it does impact the rights and responsibilities regarding that property. If someone successfully claims adverse possession after a mortgage has been granted, they acquire the property subject to the existing mortgage. This means that the new owner through adverse possession will inherit the mortgage debt attached to that property. For real estate investors, this is a critical consideration. If adverse possession began before a mortgage was granted, parts of the property may not be affected by the mortgage. This situation can effectively reduce the size of the mortgaged property. On the other hand, if adverse possession occurs after the mortgage, the lender's interest remains intact, and the new owner must deal with the mortgage debt. It's also important to note that lenders typically cannot stop adverse possession if they do not have physical possession of the property. The responsibility to address any claims of adverse possession usually falls on the borrower, not the lender. This means that investors must be diligent when assessing properties, especially those that are abandoned or poorly maintained, where adverse possession claims are more likely to arise. Conducting thorough title searches and monitoring property use is vital to avoid unexpected issues. Understanding how mortgages and adverse possession interact helps investors evaluate potential risks. In summary, while a mortgage does not block adverse possession, it does shape the legal and financial outcomes of such claims. Investors should be proactive in protecting their interests in mortgaged properties.